grab and then, okay, just imagine, just put it, somewhere, just lie on your bed and then just use this. That's perfect for lazy folks like me, right? Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here today. Let's take a quick look at the Huawei Mate XTs ultimate design. Let's check out what's new about it, what's upgraded compared to the first generation, everything you need to know about it. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with unboxing. So this is the new logo here. The packaging, I think it's basically the same as the first generation. They adopted the embed the U and later a D, into this logo. And also, if you look at the middle, there's an H, right? That means the initial letter of the Huawei. Is it beautiful? Let me know in the comments. Let's just unbox it. Huawei Mate XTs Ultimate Design. Right, open it. We have the foam. Yeah, already unboxed before. And ooh, what we have is this purple color. They also got the white one, black one, and also that red one, I guess, right? So let me know which one you like most. We'll take a look at a bit later. Then we have the charger, cord charger 100 watts. Another charger here. And for this part, two Type-C to C cables. Moving to this side, we have the pen, pop it. Do a SIM card, do standby. The case. So this is the case. It's plastic, obviously, but I feel a little bit, I don't know, it's a little bit cheap. The design is unique, I would say. They have this kind of transparent one. For others, it's like this matte finish. Then we have the kickstand here. Okay, let me just wear it for you. And if you're wondering about is it working for the first generation, yes, it is. I tried it for you. Okay, that's it. Ooh, kind of like a purse, right? Now, let me give you a quick walkthrough of the phone. So here is like basically the same as the last generation. We got the speaker, the Dinos mic, the infrared blaster, and move to the right side. We got the volume rocker, fingerprint scanner, power key. Down we have the speaker, the Type-C, the SIM card, just showed you, Dinos mic. And now this generation is still not supporting eSIM. It's just, okay, the normal card, or normal SIM, designed and crafted by Huawei. Ooh, that's exactly the same as the last generation, right? And speaking of last generation, I want to compare with for you. Okay, can you tell the difference, like which one is which? You would have no idea, right? Very subtle changes, like for this Mate XTs, only for this back, you can see there are some kind of patterns here, right? It's basically like the same. Even the camera module, they didn't change. I mean, the module design basically didn't change anything. And also is the golden color, the golden like this finish. They said they have different golden finishes, but from my necktie seems not so much a big difference. Oh, and the top is the same, right? It's the same. Nothing has changed. But indeed, there are some changes, upgrades. Let me just show you one by one. And regarding the case, there's an interesting thing I like to show you, which is, you see, when you just close like that, and it will show the time and date, something like that, on this part. So that's actually very interesting, right? Because sometimes you just want to check time. Okay, and that's it. Just pull your phone out and you can see clearly. Oh, that's I really like. I also bought the kickstand. So something like that. Okay, so you can put like that. Okay, and then you can also like this, right? And then put like this. But maybe you have to fully unfold it and put it on your desk like that. It's a little bit wobbly, but that's fine, because One of the upgrades is the pen, Pen 3. Alright, so this is a unbox it. We have the pen, and then we found there's a tool here. This tool is for you to pull out the tip in case you want to replace it, right? And there's one more tip here, and that's the accessories, and here is the pen. And there's good features like you pull the thing out and put it back, and then it will switch between the air mouse and the normal mode. Air mouse disabled, air mouse enabled, right? And when the air mouse enabled, you can just press this button to play or pause, and you can even double press it to like your TikTok video, and then you can just press the up or down key to scroll the video without even touching the screen. So this is great for lazy folks like me. One feature about the pen I have to show you is you can even use it as a projection pen or something. You see, you just press this button and hold this button here, and then you will see this light indicator, right? And this is perfect for, you know, for meetings. You just point out this and that, and then when you write something, if you write something, I think it's super smooth without any like noticeable delay or something. Just follows your pen tip like really quick, super smooth. Okay, you change the colors, everything here. Okay, you erase all of it, and yeah, that's basically the pen. When you press this button here, you will see 4 features. Like circle for senior, you just do a circle here, and then it will, okay, just crop this picture. You can share and save, and you can also reshape selection. Now annotate, you can just circulate and say this needs to be changed, that needs to be changed. And also there's a thing, just press here, and then it will show you typo detected annotations, like you can write something, or you can even just, you know, record the voice here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. Today we're testing out this Mate XTs. Let's see what happened. What's new about it? Wow, quite accurate, right? And take snippet. Okay, and you can even like pin to your desktop, and it will be like all there. And some quick notes, and it will just allows you to do the quick note, right? Subscribe. I like the pen, but there are many things needed to be optimized. Like, okay, here there is no way to store your pen. Oh my god, right? There's no way to magnetically attach it or something, or just put somewhere. You just cannot. You have to carry it independently. And the thing is that when you put it on your desk, it's easy to roll over all over the house, all over the desktop. So you might lose it, you know, easily. So that is the thing I hope Huawei can, you know, optimize a little bit. About the camera, it adopts like a red maple lens, which for accurate colors and details, the things. Let me just show you some samples, all right?
And we will also have the keyboard, so you can make it become like a computer. The keyboard is foldable and almost the same size as the phone, so you can put everything on the pocket.
Alright, so that is my first impression about it. This is an innovative product, and it seems right now Huawei is the only manufacturer that can mass produce such triple fold phone. So yeah, it means something. Currently the price is expensive, but with the add the pen, the HarmonyOS 5.1, it just adds a lot of fun features to it. So when you get it, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye!